Okay, so I just find maybe one of the best trader out there, and you can copy paste them and check this out. In the last 90 days, this guy did over 5,286% ROI. Okay, I will just repeat that. In the last 3 months, if you put $100, you're going to make over $5,000. All right, this is crazy. And if you go and check, he had in that 90 days, he have over 1,000 open positions. Okay, only 2 loss, win 107. That is crazy. Here you can go and see all the positions. What's now is in red. Okay, he's shorting the market, but that's it. It is what it is right now. When I'm doing this video, I don't know how it's going to finish. I guess they're just open right now. Okay, this is crazy. This is crazy. Now, this is Fairdesk. Fairdesk is centralized exchange. I met them in Dubai, so that's why I'm doing this video. I met them in Dubai, and do you know what's the best stuff? Is no KYC. Yes, only if you use my link. So if you use my link, it will be no KYC. Get in and get out. Simple as that. Now, if you're a trader, go ahead and use them and trade up to 125%, up to 125 times leverage. Make sure you understand the risk of that. Okay, I'm not trader. I did a couple of times. I lost. A win is not for me. Simple as that. However, I can easily do copy trade some of these traders, and when we're going to have a look who they are and how they're doing. Also, if you use my link, I think you're getting some kind of bonuses. Make sure you go and use it if you want. And again, I'll repeat again, if you want no KYC, make sure you use my link. Now, this is crypto, and just to be aware, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research and never ever put more money you can afford to lose. Okay, this is crypto, is extremely risky. Now, what about copy trading? Well, I've been playing with copy trading for the last 2 years, and I have the love and hate relationship, and I'll tell you why. Some of them are extremely great till they blow up the account, and some of them are extremely good till they blow up the account. Now, the problem here is I blame myself. Why? I've been in few, and sometimes they lost, and that's okay. You know, you cut the losses. That's why I follow the rule. Don't put more money you can afford to lose. But sometimes they win, and when I win, I'm talking about myself and probably you, we becoming greedy. So if you put a few $100, you want to become 10,000, and then you know your money double and then triple and quadruple, and it's still waiting. No, now what I said, I put some goals. So let's say I put $500 or $100 or 1,000 or 10,000. I don't know. That's up to you. And I say, okay, when I make 50, 60, 100% profit, I will just take some money out, 20, 30%. When double again, if double again, I'll take out. Or when double, just take out your initial investments and get out and play with the bank money. Also, you can do that. So how this is Fairdesk. If you go to CoinGecko, you can see Fairdesk here. They have 40 million trading volume. What's not bad at all. Now, when you go to the website, this is how it looks, okay? And here you will see on the front of the website, you see the copy traders. Again, partners, Paybits, AMC Crypto, Transcend, Bloomerang, QuickNote, Media, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko. Key licenses and certificate, they have MSB and in Canada. Okay, this company is in Singapore, as I checked, and they have a good variety and good big people of employments. And here you will see the copy traders. This guy is extremely huge, a YouTuber, over like, I don't know, a couple of 100,000 subscribers, Hamilton, and I like this guy. So check this out. Here you will see even more. If you go in more, you will see all the copy traders, and you can pick up whoever you want. There are a few things you need to know. Again, go down, you can select here 7-day win rate, 3 weeks win rate. Let's go and check, by the way. There are so many. I checked 6, 7, but I really like my Asia guy. There we go. This one who I'm copying trading right now. Well, I'm in red because I just started, so he just took some short positions. So check this out. Look, this guy in 3 weeks, he have 100% win rate. All of them in the last 3 weeks have 100% win rate. Go to page number 2. Also, they're very good copy traders, but make sure you understand and check. Let's go and check example, I don't know, 1 followers. No, I like, there we go, this guy have more followers, because if he have more followers, well, that's mean people going to follow him for some reasons. So if you go here, he don't have any profit in the last 7 days. Maybe he trade, maybe not. In the last 30 days, 22%. In the last 90 days, he has 700%. But that's not bad at all, this guy. Okay, well done. But in the last 7 days, no trading. Okay, So let's go and pick up somebody else. Let's go, that was Hamilton. Let's go and check this guy, okay? I just want to show you something. I was checking. So last 7 days, 36%. Wow, 30 days, minus 95%, okay? So make sure you check this before you get in, all right? In the 90 days, minus 97%. So this guy is not good at all, all right? So make sure, be very careful, okay? Now, that's why I like this guy. So also, this guy is very good, but I really like this guy, and I'm going to follow him a little bit, and I'm going to try the water. Make sure you have money in your copy trading account, okay? Keep in your wallet, and copy trading is, you have money just for the copy trading. Now, here you will see 7 days, 30 days, and 90 days. Only 2 losses. That's why I like this guy. I don't know if I'm going to be the unlucky guy and drop down now. Well, we're going to find out together. That's why don't put more money you can afford to lose. So if you want to follow him, what you need to do is here you have a button. You go edit, but here it will be copied because I already started. So there are a few things here you need to understand. I cannot see light in the screen, so make sure you watch. This is very important. Okay, so when you go and copy trade, okay, let me just start from 0. All right, so this is how it's going to look. So when you go in, this is how it's going to look. Okay, simple as that. So first, go and copy all contract address. You can select some of them, yes or no, but the best is go and copy all contracts. Then leverage, follow the trader. You don't want to play with that. Okay, just don't play with that. Okay, it's extremely risky. Follow mode. Okay, you can go to the fixed amount. Let's say 30 bucks per trade, or 50 bucks per trade, or 100 bucks per trade, you know, from your money. Or you can go with margin, okay? And then you will see, okay, I have available margin 1,800 for margin. So this is not all my money, it's for margin. And then you can say, okay, I want to do 10% only, between 10, 15, 20, no more, all right? So 10%, as I understand, from all your money in your copy trading account. So I like fix, and I will put, let's say, 50 bucks in, all right, for trade. Great. Market open always. That's mean you're going to start right now when it's market opens, when he's trading. That's how I understand. And here, just don't, you can do take profits and stop losses. But I don't want to play because this will be all from the trader, what he's doing, and I will do the same. And then you go update. There we go. Go to firm, and here you are. You starting to trade. That's all. Simple. But don't play a lot. Okay, don't play a lot. Start with small and see how the things are go. If you find any of this one are very, very good, like this one here, let me know. Virtual Bacon, also very good, guys. In the last 30 days, he's minus, but in the last 90 days, he's almost double the money. So if you follow him, almost double the money. So it's not bad. 100% is coming like 1% a day. But my guy, 5,000%. All right, so that's about it. This is just a short video. If you're a trader, if you want to trade, okay, just go and become a copy trader and give your shots. All right, now that's about it. I just want to introduce to yourself Fair Desk, no KYC, window in, window out. And I tried the customer service. They have 24 hours support pretty much. They're always there. They answer to me in like a couple of minutes, so that was good. Again, let me know what experience you have if you use them. It's my first time to use them, so I just want to share with you. Thank you so much. Only risk capital, it's crypto. God bless all of you. See you in the next one.